valued by FDH, 47 billion against another valuer, and 128 billion has been paid. Is there no element of fraud in this case? I want a yes or no answer. Thank you, Chair.
I think on the CDF one, honourable member, and against the civil society, I want to refresh you that several civil societies wrote to Parliament requesting Parliament, specifically Public Accounts Committee, to set up an inquiry on this. You may be refreshed that one of which you're looking at the National Anti-Corruption Alliance. They wrote to Parliament. You're looking at the National Advocacy Platform. They wrote to us. You may National Youth National Youth Council? Youth and Society. Kind of yes. Yes wrote, and the director, Mr. Kajoloweka, he's always online checking and giving updates. He's one of the people who are doing that. So to reflect that civil societies didn't show interest on this, I would like to rule you out of order, Honorable Member for Mkata Bay Central. Controlling officer or colleagues from the fund, you may proceed. There's a question, the other one was to do with fraud. You said whether the account was defrauded on a yes or no. At this stage,